I have built the Family Care AI. It is integrated of multiple AI agents in one project. Like this is a dashboard page where it summarizes the family history and it has the trigger SOS broadcast. So let us press the trigger SOS once. Yeah, the trigger SOS as broadcasted. The primary caregiver is Dad and sponsor nurse is Elena Diaz. So we can cancel or disarm the SOS protocol also. The page we have multiple agent chat, like we can directly go to the multiple agent chat and we have clinical OCR reader. It has the prescription like automatically and that next appointment and also the next upcoming family event. So it has the brief information of the family history. Next we'll go to the pill schedules. The pill in the pill schedules, all the family's medications are listed out. For all family, like we can categorize into grandma, dad, mom, and John. So we can add new prescription also. Then we can go to the doctor visit page. The doctor visit page, this is where we can schedule the appointment. Like we have the appointment for grandma for diabetic checkup and dad for hypertension monitoring. We can also add and delete also. And this is where the pantry nutrition. It is a family shopping cart and pantry stock. This is where all the weekly meal planner for all the family members are listed out. So we can here also we have the A agent. So if we have complaint like elderly fiber support or sugar balance, if it type something, it automatically gives the recipe and advises what food we can eat and all. You can also add items and delete also. It automatically reorders up to the quantity in the pantry has. Next we go to the calendar dates. The calendar days it has the family events where dad's 54th birthday is coming and funeral vaccine check is for grandma is coming. So we can schedule we can add new milestone, we can delete everything we can do here. Now we have the wow feature in the project. It's clinical OCR. This where the if we paste the clinical reports of the patient, it completely analyzes and tells out. Like for example, we will use the DAC dental health follow up. This is what the doctor has prescribed. So let us run AI clinical. Can wait for 1 or 2 seconds. Yeah, this is the extracted clinical information. Like we should take this medicine and we have to follow up this. So we can approve and integrate into family schedule. Schedule it is integrated in so in pills the this is added and in calendar dates it's added. So we go to the weekly briefing. This is where it summarizes the whole week brief of the family. Let us take 1 or 2 seconds, it will produce. Yeah, this is the family weekly briefing from 23rd to like 23rd June. Entire family brief are given. So we can copy and print it as well. So we can add some new feature also. This is the contextual AI memory. This is where the another AI agent is added. Now we go to the family care AI. This is like one of the very good feature in the project. Like this is what the AI will easily engages with the family. Like we have auto send speeches also, and we have bilanguage English and Tamil. So we can speak and it So let us test one. What are the medications for grandma afternoon? So what are the medications for grandma afternoon? So we'll send it produces the new. Like let us clearly say one more time. Medications for grandma morning. So this is here it comes. Like good morning, like Meforin. These are the medications the grandma should intake in the morning. And last, we have the privacy and security. Like if we want to erase the database of the family history, we can like wipe the database, self destruct for the security and privacy reasons, and we can like synthesize the document also, and it can be given to the appointment physicians and family givers, caregivers, and etc. So this is my project. So so that's all. Thank you.